Good morning, welcome back. This video is related with the same topic, that is Python data handling, or we can say file handling in Python, right? And this video lecture, it is related with how to write our program's data, our Python program data into a text file. Right, so that we can use the data in future, so that we can access the data from the file when we require. Right, it is a very simple process. Very easily, with very simple code, you can write your program data into the file. Clear? Now, what are the commands here? Our today's topic is how to write data into a text file. For that, just see the diagram. This is the diagram. Here it is your position Python, and you want to store your program data. आपके program का data रहता कहाँ है? Very first thing, your program data remains inside your computer's memory, here inside the RAM, and your process, your work is you have to shift your data from the memory to the file handle. Very first, you have to create a file handle inside your computer's memory, file handle, or we can say file object, or we can say it is a file variable, and just link the file handle with a specific file where you want to store the data, right? In programming, at the time of writing or creating a new file, you have to supply the file name at the very first, at the beginning. Either you can create a program in C or C++ or Visual Basic or anywhere. If you want to save your file data, very first you have to create a file variable or file object and link your file object with the specific file where you want to store your data. It is the starting process, it is the beginning process. Then you create your program, you collect the data from the user, and then you have to store the user's input in the particular file object, so that the data is stored inside the file, right? Suppose, what is the writing process? Writing process is very first you just collect your data into the different variables inside the memory. मैंने data collect कर लिया, here, these four different things. My four different data is there in the four different slots of my computer's memory, right? Now my next work is I have to collect all these data into the file handle, into the file object, like this one. So file object should be created in advance in your program, and the file object should be linked with a specific file. Suppose I want to store my data, my program's data, into ABC file. So just see, very first I just create a file object PQ equal to open abc.txt. It is not there, the file, it is not there in the hard disk. Now abc.txt comma w means write mode. Clear? If the file is not there in your Python root folder, very first computer is going to create the file and link your file with the PQ, with the file object variable, right? And on the other side, if abc.txt file is already there, then computer wipe out the data that is there in the file, blank the file, vacant the empty the file, and then your new data is going to store inside the file, right? It is the by default write mode. So here, in the first, I just see one program is also there in front of your eyes. Here I have written two different functions. The first, it is a write function. Only two functions are related to write your data into the file. The first one is write and the second one is write lines. The write function write the data in string format, takes the data in string format and write there inside the file. Whereas write lines function takes the input of list data and then write the list data into the text file. Clear? This is the difference, actual difference. Now just see, what is the program here? PQ equal to open abc.txt w. It means what? Computer is going to create one PQ variable inside its memory, and then this PQ variable is linked with the abc.txt file. The file is there in the Python root folder, and the file open with the write mode. Clear? Now pq dot write, it is the function by which you can write something in the text file. Here pq dot write small bracket and you just supply your data into string format. String means either single inverted comma or double inverted comma. So here if I want to write HGISH into my ABC file, just see the command pq dot write inside the bracket HGI is, right? Instantly HGI is, this line is written by the computer in the file object at here at the beginning position. This line is there in the file. Done? Now if again I use this command pq dot write 8th top school, again the second string, it is going to store inside the file object. I am telling you, inside the file object that is there inside the memory, not inside the file. अगर फाइल में डाटा राइट नहीं हुआ है, डाटा सिर्फ ऑब्जेक्ट में गया है. नाउ जस्ट सी HJS then the pq dot write 8th top school. अब होगा क्या? Just after the first line, computer is going to write the second line from here only. नई लाइन में नहीं आएगी. If you want to take this 8th top school at the new line, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? You just remove this inverted comma. You just put slash n over here. Now it is there in the first line. It is there in the second line. Now just see of Rajasthan कहाँ पे जाएगा? Second line में, third line में. Check it. Any slash n is there after this line? No. No, then the of Rajasthan data is going to connect with the second line. अगर आपको नई लाइन में चाहिए, then you just use slash n over here. Clear? First line, second line, it is the third line. Now what is there for the fourth line? Congratulations. Again pq dot write command is there. Congratulations is going to store with this line. Now you have to put slash n again over here. Clear? So pq dot write, it is the command, it is the function by which you can write the data in your text file. Now just see, when we supply this command, when we execute the program, computer writes this data like this one, right? This is the arrangement and this data is there inside the file object. अभी तक भी डाटा फाइल में जाके राइट नहीं हुआ, तो कब होगा? The question is, when computer is going to store the data, these 4 lines are there in this file object only. Now when you supply the close command pq dot close, it is the very important command if you want to write something in your file, right? When you use pq dot close, at that time only, when you supply the close command, computer is going to write the whole data that is there inside the file object into your file. जैसे ही आप क्लोज करोगे तब ये डाटा जा रहा है फाइल के अंदर, उससे पहले जाएगा ही नहीं. अगर क्लोज करना भूल गए, data is not stored in the hard. Though the close is automatically added when your program is terminated. आपका प्रोग्राम जब पूरा कंप्लीट हो जाता है, ऑटोमेटिक कंप्यूटर क्लोज द फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट, right? But what happened at a meantime, if electricity goes or your computer is going to shut down, then क्या होगा? पूरा प्रोग्राम चलेगा तब तो ऑटोमेटिक डाटा जा रहा है, but प्रोग्राम terminates at the middle, then what happen? Your data is remain inside the memory only. It is not written in your file, right? So this is the process by which we can write the data, right? Here 2 important things are there. Write is the default library function of Python. With the help of write, you can write the data in string format into your file object, and then when you supply the close command, your data that is there inside the file object, it is going to store in your computer's hard disk, in your file that is there in your computer's hard disk. Clear? Any doubt? Right. Now just see, instead of this one, I can use a string variable also while write something in my file. Just see what is the string variable. Here file open, then I just create str1, and in this str1 I write this Ramesh. Done? And then str2 equal to Suresh. I want to write these 2 names in 2 different lines into my file. So for that, the first string contains Ramesh, second string variable contains Suresh. Now I have to create a third string variable and arrange the data according to the same which I want to store in the file. तो कैसे मैं करूँ? देखो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, str3 equal to str1 plus slash n plus str2 क्या होगा इसे बताओ? str1 plus is a concatenation operator. Just after str1 computer is going to add slash n and then computer is going to add the str2 string 2. Now if I use the command pq.write str3 and then pq.close, you should write in small letter only, right? Then my file looks like this. At the very first line of my file Ramesh is there, at the second line it is Suresh is there in the file. Just see, this is the abc.txt file. Clear? Now the next thing, how we can write our program data into the file. ये तो एक simple सा था, just string को अपने write किया. Now the complete program, if I want to write 5 students' name with their age in my file, then what can I do? Just see, 5 student name and their age. I want to create a program. That program holds or takes 5 students' name from the user and their age, and after that I am going to store the data in my text file. तो उसके लिए मैं क्या प्रोग्राम कर रहा हूँ? देखो, just see here, I just create a name variable. It is a string variable, empty string. I just create age variable and put 0. Then I use for loop for I in range 5. Range 5 मतलब 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 total 5 times this loop will execute. I in range 5. याद आ रहा है class 11? We discussed it already in class 11, right? Now here, just write this one, name equal to input. Input is the command by which you can take the input from the user. Input, enter name. Right? This message is there on the screen, and just after this message cursor is blinking, means user is going to input the name of the student. Then here age equal to integer, then input, then enter age. It is there in the for loop. Just see, for loop. These are the commands. Just see the indentation. Both the lines are there with the for loop, right? Name is taken, age is taken. Now I just create one string variable str. उसमें मैं ऐसे अरेंज करूँगा जैसे मुझे डाटा चाहिए. str equal to, just see, I am going to write this one, name, name colon plus name. I am going to create the string, just see, right? Plus comma, then plus str age is converted into string. Str, it is a function, okay, function of Python. Str age is converted into string, and then plus slash n. See the variable string name. It is a message. Just after name, student name is added. Plus means concatenation. Computer is going to add the student name with the name column. Then comma. Then str age is converted into string format, and then plus slash n. Now this string variable is ready. Now I am using pq.write str. This is my command inside the for loop. For loop works 5 different times. When it executes at the position 0, I equal to 0, first student name, first student age is entered by the user. It is collected in a string format, and the string variable is going to write in the pq object, pq handle. Clear? Now, just after the for loop, close this pq dot close. Clear? Now what will happen? what is the output of this program? Very first, computer is going to take the message. The message is there on the monitor. The message is enter name. Here I wrote Amit. Now the second line is enter age. Here 17. Now what is there in the string variable? Just see. String variable कैसे बन रहा है? String variable में ये आ रहा है name colon Amit. Then comma, right? Then age, it is 17. Then slash n. Here it is there in the string variable. Now the same thing, the same line is going to store inside the file. कैसे आएगी देखो file कैसे बनेगी? What is the output of the file? Name Amit, comma 17. When this for loop execute at the very second time, then again मैंने नाम डाला सुरेश, age डाली 25. तो अभी क्या होगा? In the second line, name Suresh is 25. Clear? Then third time when this loop will execute, इस बार मैंने name डाल दिया है रमेश, and the age is 37. The file is created like this, and the name of the file is abc.txt. Clear? So this is the write library function of Python by which you can write your program's data into the file. Now the second function, it is related with write lines. Clear? Write lines means here if you want to use this write lines function, you have to supply your data into the list formation. Right? Just create a list, the list contains your data, and then the data is directly stored inside the file. Just see, here I am using the command pq equal to open, then the file name, it is abc.txt, it is my file name, then the file mode, it is w. Done. Now I just create a list variable lst equal to Rakesh slash n, here Suresh slash n, and then the third one is Mahesh slash n. It is my list variable. LST, 3 elements are there in the list, 1, 2 and 3, and all these elements terminated by slash n. अगर मैं slash n नहीं लगाता हूँ तो रमेश, सुरेश और महेश एक ही लाइन में आ जाएंगे फाइल के अंदर. Clear? Now the list is created. Now you use just this command pq.write lines, and here with this write lines use lst, list variable, and then you just close the pq variable, pq.close. Clear? By this, if you want to see the output of the file, just see Rakesh at the first line, Suresh at the second line, and Mahesh at the third line inside the file. Just check the file. Done? So these are the two library functions, write and write lines, by which we can store our file data, store our program data into the text file that is created inside your Python root folder. Right? Thank you. Thank you very much.